In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cache coding to reconcile your bank accounts faster in Xero. This efficient method will help streamline your accounting tasks and save you a considerable amount of time. Let's dive into this quick guide to make your reconciliation process smoother and faster. First off, you'll need to log into Xero accounting software. Head over to your preferred internet browser, type in the Xero website address, and click on the login button you see on the page. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy. For additional security, if you have two-step verification enabled, be prepared to receive that verification text or code. Enter your email and password in the respective fields. With your login details submitted, click Login again to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your command center for all things accounting. From here, your next move is to click on Reconcile Items, a feature prominently displayed under the Bank Account section. This will take you to where all your imported bank statement lines are waiting for you. Once on the reconciliation page, click on Cache Coding found on the tab menu. Cache coding allows you to input and categorize multiple transactions at the same time, vastly improving efficiency over manual reconciliation. To keep everything organized, it's best to sort your transactions by either description or payee. Sorting transactions this way groups similar transactions together, making it easier to apply bulk actions. Having sorted the transactions appropriately, tick all the transactions that are the same. Simply check the box beside each transaction that fits the same category. This step is pivotal for bulk processing. Next, you'll need to select an appropriate account code for these transactions. The account code determines how each transaction will be categorized in your financial records, so choose a code that accurately reflects the nature of the transactions you're reconciling. With everything selected and categorized, your final task is to click on Save and Reconcile selected. This button is your magic wand, applying all your thoughtful categorizations to your chosen transactions in one fell swoop. And there you go, your transactions are all reconciled without the tedious need to handle them one by one. Lastly, you'll want to click OK to confirm that you're satisfied with the reconciled entries. This final step ensures that your actions are properly updated in the Xero system, locking in all your hard work, and there you have it, a quick, efficient method for Xero bank reconciliation using cache coding. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more empowered to manage your business's finances